Hey guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. This month, it's the Corpse Bride. If you're curious to see what they put in this box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. This was another one that I found on Cratejoy. I love this subscription. They have themes every single month, and the theme for this month is the Corpse Bride. So I'm really excited to see what they put in my little bag here. So without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay guys, so here's my bag. This month it's this beautiful teal blue color where normally it's like a bright metallic bold color. This month I went for the teal blue. Whatever, works for me. Let's see what's inside. Okay, ooh, there's something big in there. This is normally like jewelry and smaller things, but there's like a bigger box in there. I'm very interested to see what's going on. Okay, so this month it has a little card with all of the stuff that's in there. I won't show you what's in there just yet because I want to be surprised too. Awesome. Look, you can even frame this. I would totally frame this. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to start with this. They always send, I believe this is just a print. I'm going to take it out of here. The glare from the lights, I just feel like you guys can't really see it for those of you interested. But this is just a print. I don't remember where the prints come from, but I'm sure I will probably pop it up on the screen for you guys. But look at that. Yes! Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I really love this print. Oh, what am I going to do with it though? I don't know if I'm going to frame it or do something else with it. I'll have to think about it, but the print's included. So let's find the print on the little sheet here. And it says 4x6 art print. It's by Megan E. Risk. It's www.meganrisk.com if anyone is interested to see what kind of prints she has, but that is where this print came from. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what else is inside here. I don't want to get the big thing out yet. That's like a huge surprise for me. Okay, so here's what it looks like inside here. They have all of their little jewelry, I'm assuming, wrapped up in the tissue paper. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, okay, so we have this. It's like two-sided, and it, comes in this little bag. So I'm going to take the stuff out. Ooh, there's more in there than I thought. Oh, these are so pretty, guys. I'm going to open them up because I feel like the glare from the camera. Look at my hair sticking up again. This is awesome. Okay, so I feel like the glare from the lights like mess things up. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so we have some awesome little butterfly earrings. Look at that, guys. Oh, I will totally rock these all day and all night for sure. They're super lightweight for sure. I don't know. It's like kind of like an embroidery outline type situation. Really pretty blue earrings. I really like these. These are super cute. Okay, and then I didn't know this was squeezed in here. That's why I was kind of like, ooh, more stuff. Exciting. So we have a bracelet that says, "Pardon my enthusiasm." If that isn't for me, I don't know what is. There you go. I hope that you guys can see it. It's not getting much glare, but I'm actually going to put that on right now. That is so suitable for me. It's not even funny, guys. Pardon my enthusiasm, but I get excited about everything. Plastic bags, little flowers, whatever. So here we go. Oh, this is nice. See what I'm saying about the enthusiasm? Okay, so, ooh, this is pretty though. Look at this. A little Corpse Bride necklace. I'm not sure how much glare you guys are going to get from this. I'm going to try to put it in an angle where you can actually see it, and I hope that you're getting it. I never really know these things until I, watch it back. But this is a really pretty necklace. I will definitely rock this necklace for sure. I like all kinds of quirky things like this. That's why I have this subscription. So this is awesome. I'm very happy so far. Woo! So far, really exciting. So we have a couple more things that was in the tissue paper here. Let's pull them all out. This looks like a magnet. Yay! You guys have no idea how geeked out my fridge is. Between the Heroes Tower, this subscription, and a couple other ones, I am geeked out to the hills. There's an awesome magnet though. I love it. Now this is one that could be more seasonal. I could just bring it out for like Halloween time, but honestly, it'll probably be on my fridge like all the time. I'm just saying. So I'm always in need of magnets though, because my son is always making me all kinds of fun things to hang up on the refrigerator. So let's see what this deal is. This looks like it's a pin, right? Yeah, this is a pin. And it says "Play Dead." Wow, that's awesome. Look at that. Yes! Now this I would not like wear on my clothes. I don't think. Maybe I would. I don't know. I would most likely put it like on a purse or something like that. But this is probably an exclusive to Kal-Elle. I'm not really sure because like I dumped my card on you guys. I don't even know where it is, honestly. So, I mean, because you can see what this stuff is. I don't know what I did with the card. Interesting. Okay, but you guys can see what this stuff is. And the last thing in here is a lemon blueberry wedding cake. That sounds really delicious. Like, I honestly want to give this a taste. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but, you know, when I lick my lips, I want it to taste good. So, obviously, this is a chapstick. So, I don't know. Should I open it up, guys? I mean, I have my lips, like, caked with stuff, and I have 2 more videos to film, so I really don't want to mess things up too bad. I don't know. Do I? Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, it smells really good. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't see anything. It's chapstick. But yeah, it smells really good. Awesome. Yeah, I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of this. Hopefully it tastes good too. You know, you're not supposed to eat it. But I always wonder if it tastes good. Okay, so that was everything that was in my little tissue paper, but that's awesome. I forget how much the subscription is, but I'll pop it up somewhere on the screen here for you guys so you know how much I pay per month for this subscription. Whatever it is, I'm sure that all of this stuff is 100% worth it. So that was exciting. Now let's see. Oh, here's what I did with my thing. Okay, so we had the Corpse Bride silhouette necklace, and that is a Kal-Elle exclusive. That's what I love about ordering or getting the subscription bag, is because a lot of the things are exclusive to just their company, so you can't buy them anywhere else. So that's really cool. I love that. Then we have the movie quote bracelet. Also a Kal-Elle exclusive. Awesome. The butterfly earrings, the Corpse Bride magnet, oh, I didn't do that yet. The Scraps pin, which is a subscriber exclusive. Okay, that's awesome. Corpse Bride lip balm. It's Aurora Beauty. So www.aurorabeauty.store is where you can get the lip balm for those of you who might be interested in it. And then I already went over the 4x6 art print. And the final thing in here, which, like I said, I was really surprised. Did I show my address? No, I didn't. Awesome. Okay, so this is a creative 3D visualization lamp. Whole new generation of 3D. Okay, so here's what the box looks like. I don't know what's inside here. I didn't realize they did stuff like this. This is actually kind of exciting. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Ooh, okay. All right, so it looks like this. I'm not sure what happens here. Wow, that's really cool. Are you guys getting the silhouette of the Corpse Bride there? Awesome. Okay, so and then it has these other little parts of the lamp. Looks like it takes some 3 AA batteries. So obviously you're gonna stick your little silhouette in here, and then it has a plug that's not a plug. It's a USB. So what are you plugging it into? I don't know, guys. What's happening here? Hold on a second. Okay, so you plug in the power. You can light it up. 7-color gradient. Oh, it's a USB cable, but you would just plug it in with, you know, I have those, what are those things called? It makes it so it can plug into the wall. I have a plug that you can put the USB part into, so that's fine. Okay, so apparently it changes colors and all of that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do, guys, instead of wasting all this time trying to read this to you guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'll put this together and I'll show it to you guys, what it looks like, I guess. Right now. Why not? Why am I waiting? So I'll go ahead. I'll put it all together. I will do a little clip of what the little lamp looks like, and I'll be back. Dude, look! This is so awesome! Look at that! Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool! This was really unexpected, guys. Look at that! It is just flashing all these different colors, and look! Oh my gosh, I love this thing! Check it out! So awesome. Sorry for all the screaming, but this is really an exciting thing to get in a little box like this. Bag, whatever. So awesome. Okay, let's move on. Okay, guys, sorry for all the screaming with the light, but that thing was so cool. Like, honestly, I feel like I was off my game this whole unboxing, and then I saw that light and saw what it did, and I was back on my game. What can I say? So, honestly, that light was really awesome, and it actually was a Kal-Elle exclusive. It said it was a 3D light lamp thingamabobber, but it is super cool. I am really excited to have it. And that's probably one of the coolest things that I got in a smaller subscription box like this. So I'm really excited to have it. Wow, that was such a surprise. So overall, guys, this is a great subscription box. It's definitely, how can I word it? It's definitely for people who are into geeky kind of things like this, like fandom kind of stuff, because all of the jewelry is going to have some sort of fandom on it and things like that. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, then this wouldn't be a good subscription box for you, but it's awesome for me. And I think it's great for kids too. This would be great for kids because I know as a child, you like to wear a lot of jewelry that has to do with your favorite cartoons and all that kind of stuff. So honestly, I feel like this subscription is awesome. Again, I got it on Cratejoy. I absolutely love everything I got in this bag. I loved everything in my last bag. I have no idea what's in store for my next one, but I'm so looking forward to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would say I hope you found it helpful or useful in some way, but there was really no helpful or useful things about it. So hopefully you just enjoyed the video. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have all kinds of fun stuff coming up, lots of fun DIYs for the holiday season, and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. So make sure that you're subscribed and you click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And in today's video, I will be unboxing my Kal-Elle Fandom subscription. So this was another one that I found. I'm afraid of in my head. Look, I'm like robotic. I am afraid to. All right, I can move my head, so I need to just do that. Bam! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambassador's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my Kal-Elle Fandom. That's what it's called, right? Hold on. This was another one that I found on Cratejoy. Why am I pointing? And my hair just keeps falling and falling. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is... My hair's sticking up now, isn't it? Ah, good grief. All right. This was another one that I found on Cratejoy, and I was actually going to subscribe. Okay. So this is another one that I absolutely love. I am so excited to open up this little bag. They have themes every single month, and the month theme, let's do it. I love it when I mess up constantly. It's awesome. They have a theme every single month, and they're doing the corpse bride this month. So without further ado, let's see what I got. No, wait. They have a theme every single month, so they decided on the corpse bride for this month. I don't know what to say. So clearly that's what the shrug of the shoulders means. Try it again. Okay, guys, so that didn't work. Why do I always try to do that? It like never works. I don't know. Let's practice some more. Okay, guys, so that just doesn't work. I gotta hold it up. I can't do it. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. This month, it's a beautiful teal blue. Normally, it's like a bright metallic color, but they went for the teal blue this month. Can't talk. I am never getting this filmed. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try it again. This might get filmed today. I mean, it might. It might not. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Okay, guys, so did that work? Oh my gosh, try it again.